Hello and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to a continuation of the best of 2025. I wasn't originally going to do this, but I was just sitting here thinking about it. I kind of want to do the best of 2025 series, so today I'm going to start in with skincare. I've got toners, serums, moisturizers, lip prep, and eye creams. So let's just go ahead and start with my favorite toners. Now, some of my items I got in 2025, some of my items I've just been using and loving in 2025. But again, going in with toners, both these I got in my BoxyCharm. I have the Glow Recipe Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. I just love the feel of it on the skin. I love that it's a pump. I love the packaging. I think it's just beautiful. And then I also like the Dermalactives Purifying Apple Cider Toning Mist. Again, I love a good spray toner. I love how easy it is to use. I can spray it on my face. I can pat it in, let it sit, and it can be done. I love just the feeling of it on my skin. I do have one serum, and it's the J Glow That Glow serum. Again, just one of those that I just reach for constantly. I love how it feels on the skin. I love that it's a pump, that the packaging feels so high-end. I think I got this in 2024, but I have been using it like crazy in 2025. I feel like I can possibly finish this up in 2026. Again, I absolutely love this serum. For skincare, I did get the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream in the birthday hydration. I got this as part of their birthday gift in January, and I have just been using it nonstop. I absolutely love it. I love First Aid Beauty for skincare. I love it because it's not overpriced, but you still get a good high-end quality. Again, super, super gorgeous. And then this came in a mini set with a couple of other things, but the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream as well as the water cream. These are two mini sizes, but two mini sizes that I would repurchase. I think I did get this one in a sample at one point a couple of years ago, and I just fell in love with it. So again, just another great one. I know Tatcha's a well-known skincare brand. Everything I've tried from her, I do absolutely love. I do have 3 eye creams that I want to share today. I've got the First Aid Beauty Hydrating Eye Cream. I think I got this in a BoxyCharm. Again, another one that I just love and adore, and I think is so good. Feels so great on the skin. I also got the Osea Ocean Eyes. Again, another one that just feels so good on the skin. Very beautiful, very luxury packaging. I will say that every time I open it, I do have to clean off the top, so that would be the only downside. But I feel like this is just one of those that is so beautiful on the skin every single time. And then the Fenty Skin Eye Cream, it's one of those that you can just twist up and get the perfect amount of product on. So I love the convenience of it. And again, it's just so beautiful, and it just helps. I feel like, again, feels really, really good underneath the eyes as well. All of these are BoxyCharm. Most of my skincare I did get in my BoxyCharm. A couple of them I did purchase. But again, just so, so beautiful. Finally, for lip prep, let's start with the Tatcha one, because it did come in that Tatcha set, the Kissu lip mask. This one in particular, it is so hydrating on the lips. When I'm having a super dry lip day, I put this on. It does beautiful things for me. I love it. I love a good weighted like lip balm, lip prep oil. And this just does exactly what I want it to do. These last 3 were BoxyCharm items. The Fenty Skin, it's like the cherry lip oil. This one, it smells amazing. It's really beautiful on the lips. It does what I want it to do in terms of a lip prep. Now, it's not like heavy like the Tatcha one. It is a little bit lighter, but in terms of prepping my lips, I think it does a really good job. I'm very picky as to what I put in my lip prep as far as lip oils go, or whether or not I just put them in my lip glosses for a little less hydration. And this one definitely fit the bill for a lip prep. Also, a more recent BoxyCharm find is the Milk Makeup Kush Lip Oil. Again, another one, it's not super heavy on the lips. I do love it for when I am wanting to put it on before I put on my lip products. With all of these here, I will put them on at the beginning of my makeup routine and wipe them off as soon as I am ready to put on my lip products. But it just feels like it gives my lips the proper hydration before I go in with my lip products for the day. And the last one is the Yenza Luxe Lip Oil. Now, I do find that with Yenza's products, they are a lot more lightweight. That being said, I like them for that reason, because they are more lightweight. Out of the bunch here, this is gonna be the least hydrating of them all, but it works great for days that maybe I'm not wanting to put on a lipstick and I'm just wanting a good lip oil. And just, again, a wonderful one. I can use it for lip prep, but I can also use it to just put on as I'm going out the door. Again, I like this one because it's lightweight, but it's not going to be as heavy as the rest of these here, especially not the Tatcha one. But I feel like that's like, I've tried from them. I have gotten in BoxyCharm, and I have loved every single thing I got from the brand, specifically because of how lightweight they are, and it does serve a very valuable purpose in my collection. And that is all of my 2025 skincare favorites. Next, I'm thinking about doing complexion. But if you are new here, welcome to my channel. I do videos focusing on beauty and lifestyle, and my goal on this platform is to share my love for beauty as well as my love for Jesus Christ as my Lord and Savior. And I am currently pregnant, so I've got a lot of that content coming. A lot of that content already on my channel from past pregnancies, my current pregnancy, and I've got some more stuff I have planned coming before baby gets here. If all of that is what you're into, hit that subscribe button. If not, but you still want to stick around, hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you, and I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.